Question 18. Use ruler and compasses only in this question. Find and indicate clearly all possible points that are both 6 centimetres from A and equidistant from B and C. So we've got two conditions to meet here. Now, equidistant means an equal distance. So we need to be an equal distance from B and C. What they're actually asking us to work out there, distance, is the perpendicular bisector of BC. Now we can construct the perpendicular bisector of BC by constructing isosceles triangles with BC as a base. So if we join up our line from B to C, and if we use a compass now to construct an isosceles triangle, I need to make sure my compass is bigger than halfway, half the length of BC it is. So we're now going to join two arcs from the ends BC, and that will now form an isosceles triangle. If we join from there to there and from there to there, so I've now made an isosceles triangle using BC as a base. Now I'm going to repeat exactly the same thing on the other side of BC, and the shape we're going to make will be a rhombus. So one compass arc from B, another one from C, and if I join those two together, we'll now have a rhombus the purple lines are going to make a rhombus. Now we all know the diagonals of a rhombus, they cut each other in two, they bisect one another. So I'm now going to join up from the top of the rhombus to the bottom of the rhombus. They will cut that blue line into two equal pieces, and I'm going to continue that red line on all the way through. Right, now that cuts this first line BC, it bisects it into two equal pieces at 90 degrees. So our red line there is now the perpendicular bisector of BC. So that is our condition that we've got here. We now need to look at 6 centimetres from A. So using a ruler, I'm going to set the length of my the width of between the compass point and the pencil to be 6 centimetres. So I'm going to put a point at 6 and drag that along to there. I've now set my compass width to 6 centimetres. For the first part, it didn't matter how long I had the compass, it just had to be bigger than half the length of the line BC. So this is now 6 centimetres. To move my ruler out of the way, I'm going to move my compass to point A, and we're now going to draw in a line, the green line that is 6 centimetres from point A. So I've now joined a compass arc, it's actually shown in blue, that is 6 centimetres from A. So where the green line and the red line meet are the 2 points that satisfy both conditions there. So I've got my first point is here, my second point is here. At both the 2 pink points that I've indicated with an arrow there and there, they are both 6 centimetres from A, and also they're an equal distance from B and C. Everywhere on the red line, everywhere on the purple line that I've drawn there, the curve where the two meet.